Some days ago, His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, Sasimila Ifowara, GSS, inaugurated the governing board of Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency. Against the backdrop, the following findings were made. One, that there is no enabling law of Rivers State establishing the Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency. This is to say that the agency is not known in laws of Rivers State. Two, if such law exists, appointments of the governing board would be subject to confirmation of Rivers State House of Assembly. The recommendation, Mr. Speaker, in light of the above, we recommend as follows: that the House do condemn the action of the Governor on the inauguration of agency, since there is no enabling legislation.
There is no law of Rivers State creating this agency, and to that extent, this Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency cannot stand. Every agency of the Rivers State government must be a creation of law, because the governor of Rivers State has lowered the bar of governance. He has entered the trajectory of lawlessness. He does not respect the Constitution. He does not respect judgments of the Supreme Court or the Court of Appeal or the Federal High Courts. He's just acting like an outlaw. So we're not surprised that he has gone ahead to set up an agency without any legislation, without approval by the Assembly. The most interesting part is that the world has seen that all we have been saying all along, that there was never any public procurement board for Rivers State. Recently, he went and appointed them. Meaning that all that we have been saying to the world, to Rivers people, that the governor has been spending funds without approval of the public procurement agency, it's not clear to everybody that we are right all along. It never existed, but just some days ago, we heard he has gone ahead to appoint people, and they are working without the approval of this assembly. The key thing is that the world has seen that we were saying the truth, that he never had one, and that every expenditure he made by awarding contracts without that board are null and void. All those things he did are all null and void.